Look at that black, yo. Queen.
Hey babes, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Y'all, we do DIYs every Wednesday over here, and I give vlogs every Friday. And y'all, we like to get straight to the point over here as well. So y'all, I'm back working on the flow again. I want to give me a bigger table or whatever, but yeah. So anyways, you want to take your measurements, and as y'all know, I use clothes. If you're new over here, this is what I do or whatever. But yeah, let's get into it. So I am basically measuring out for the hip area, and then I'm going to do the bust and the waist, of course, for the dress. And yeah, I'm using these little templates to give me like a little pattern so I ain't have to make none or whatever. And my hair still looking good, y'all. It's time to take it down though, but y'all know I just love wearing my hair forever. But anyways, as you can see right here, I am pinning like the line because I couldn't use my chalk pen on here because of the material. And y'all know I'm recording my videos for y'all for TikTok and Facebook, Instagram, and yada yada yada. And y'all, your girl been super busy, like orders after orders, and I'm just so thankful, so grateful for that or whatever. So right here we doing the flip over method, and I'm sorry I'm talking so fast. I'm just trying to get everything in, let y'all know what's going on. And y'all, this sequence was literally everywhere. They still everywhere. They like literally everywhere in my crib, on the couch, in the bathroom, just everywhere. But anyways, so you flip it over and then just go ahead and cut it out like so. But yeah, what y'all been up to besides working? And you know, it's summertime, it's starting to get hot outside and whatever. So y'all, this part right here, I'm just gonna lay it out and put it on and just cut it out like this. And my camera wasn't all the way at the top, so we not doing like a full, like the same as you. Okay, here we go, right here. We just did like a, is that called halter? Yeah, halter back top, I guess. So yeah, those the vats for this. And then we're gonna put some, I was so glad, I'm pinning it right here, y'all, but I was so glad that, okay, Wendy, we just gonna go ahead and sew it down. I'm trying to make sure I explain to y'all what I'm doing at the moment. But yeah, we sewing down on each side or whatever. And y'all, I was so glad that they had the little regular piece of fabric at the end of this sequence part, because yes, I ain't want to make straps because you know. And here we go. But yeah, I was using this for the straps, and it's like it'll be more comfortable on her skin, because who wants that sequence sticking in their arms and stuff, because y'all, that sequence a little strong or whatever. So I'm gonna just go ahead and cut this so we can use this for the straps. And then I think I showed y'all like 1,000 times how to make scraps. Don't mind me keep recording my little TikTok videos, but y'all know the vibes, y'all know what's going on, okay? But yeah, and y'all, guess what time it is right now? It's currently 2:54 in the morning, and I'm up trying to get these videos out for y'all. But anyways, I just used my loop turner. We just sewed down literally, and we're gonna go ahead and attach these to the dress. And y'all, I went ahead and did like a crisscross back method. That's what Mom wanted, and it was super cute. It was given, and I just love everything about this. Like my niece just graduated, so this is for her 8th grade Sneakerball, y'all. I'm just so proud of her. Like, it's just like a bittersweet moment, like just looking at her. Okay, right here I'm doing a split or whatever. And I did it while it was on her because, y'all, I was so nervous. My best friend like, girl, you got it, you got it. I was just super nervous because I was like, once you cut it, it was over with if you messed up. So I was just cutting little by little, and it gave what it needs to give. And I didn't sew it or hem it or anything because it was just like I said, I didn't want that sequence like rubbing and irritating nobody's skin or whatever. So yeah, I didn't do that. And then I'm just fixing this little area up there because it was irritating my soul. And look at me, goofy as hell. Y'all play so much. I really have to stop. But this is the final and finishing look. Let me know what y'all think. Subscribe, shop, and follow for more. I love you guys oh so much. Again, thanks for 5K. Look at my niece. Congratulate her for graduating down in the comments. And yeah, I love you guys oh so much. And I'm out. Peace.